Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have started with exercise 4.2 and as I said 4.1 is totally graphical method, that is to be ignored. We have started with exercise 4.2 and we have seen how to solve the sums. It is just like the previous chapter sums. When we were fitting regression line y on x and the four steps were there, first for b, then for a, then for equation and then for estimation. The same thing is used here in method of least squares. Comparing to previous chapter, there were total 7 formulas for b and here only one formula is there for b, that is xy. Instead here having ty. Then a's formula is same, instead of x everywhere we have t. Then equation is also same and estimation is also same. Again we are solving the next sum. And one extra thing will be calculated in this third sum. Two sums we have completed. Going for the third sum on page number 173. The number of two-wheelers registered in 1000 in a city in different year is as follows. Use the method of fitting linear equation to this data and obtain the estimates for the number of vehicles registered in year 2016 and 17. We have to estimate for 2 years. Also find the trend values. So friends, when they are giving an extra thing, whenever we have to find the trend values, then one column will be extra. One column will be extra for these trend values. Otherwise nothing is there. Okay. Let's start the sum. Okay, so we are in exercise 4.2 and we are going for third sum. Year after year, as you know, time is to be found. Number of vehicles, that is y, and they are in 1000. Next column is dy, next column is d square, and the last extra column is about trend values. When we have to write the equation, what we obtain from step number 3, y cap is equals to, and give more space for this. Okay, do that thing. Yes, now we are writing the data. 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 69, 75, 82, 91, 101, 150. We draw the lines. As I said, here more space has to be kept. These are our rows and columns. Sigma t, sigma y, sigma ty, sigma t square dash. As I said, whenever you need to find the trend values, only one extra column of trend value is required and that will be at the end of sum, not now. Okay? Yes. Now, t bar is sigma t by n, y bar is sigma y by n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 21 divided by 6 is 3.5. The unit of t is always in years. Next, 69, 75, 82, 91, 101, 115 is 533. 533 upon 6, 88.83 thousand vehicles. Starting our sums. First step, b is equals to n into sigma dy minus sigma t multiply sigma y divided by n multiply sigma t square minus sigma t whole square N is 6 sigma. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Not now, by mistake I have done. First we have to do this. 69 ones are 69, 75 twos are 150, 82 into 3 is 246, 91 into 4 is 364, 101 into 5 is 505, 115 into 6 is 690. 69, 150, 246, 364, 505, 690. 20, 24, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 91. Now we can do this thing. First step, B is equals to N into sigma Ty minus sigma T multiply sigma Y divided by N multiply sigma T square minus sigma T whole square. N is 6, Ty is 2024, sigma T is 21, sigma Y is 533 divided by N is 6, T square is 91, T whole square is 21 whole square. 20, 24 into 6, 12,144 minus 21 into 533 is 11,193 divided by 91 into 6, 546 minus 21 square 441, 12,144 minus 11,193, 951 divided by 546 minus 441, 105, 951 divided by 105, 9.06. B is 9.06. Why 9.057 was? So 9.06. Second step, A is equals to Y bar minus BT bar. Y bar is 88.83 minus B is 9.06 and T bar is 3.5. 88.83 minus 9.06 multiply 3.5, 31.71. 88.83 minus 31.71, 57.12. Third step, fitted trend line. Y cap is equals to A plus BT. Y cap is equals to 57.12 plus 9.06 T. And as I said, after obtaining trend line, we have to write it here also. 57.12 plus 9.06. Now the next step, that is fourth, estimation. Friends, let's read the question again. We have to estimate. Okay. Use the following method to fit linear equation to this data. Obtain the estimates of number of vehicles registered in 2016 and 17 both. Registered vehicles, Y is equals to question mark for year 2016 and 2017, comma, T is equals to. For 2015, T is 6. So for 2016, it will be 7, and for 2017, it will be 8, because they are again continuous. If there is a gap, suppose we have been asked for 17 and 18, then it would be 8 and 9, because 15 is 6, 16 is 7, 17 is 8, and 18 would be 9. But they are asking 16 and 17. So if 15 is 6, Then see, we have to see the difference. Normally the difference is 1. 2010 is 1, 11 is 2, 12 is 3. If the difference is 2, then again we have to keep 1. Suppose for 2010 it is 1, for 2012 it is 2, for 2014 it will be again 3. But here normally difference will be of 1 year. So for 2016 it would be 7, 2017 it would be 8. Okay. Now we are going for 2016. T is equals to 7, y cap is equals to a plus bt. Y cap is equals to 57.12 plus 9.06 into 7. 57.12 plus 9.06 multiply 7. 63.42. So 57.12 plus 63.42 is 120.54 thousand vehicles. One more is there. After that I am writing here. Okay, if you don't have problem, why you have problem? For 2017, T is equals to 8, y cap is a plus bt. Y cap is 57.12 plus 9.06 t. 57.12 plus 9.06 multiply 8. 57.12 plus 9.06 into 8. 72.48 plus 57.12. 129.6 thousand vehicles. Okay, so again I am repeating. First we found B, then A, then fitted trend line, then estimation for 2016 is 7, for 2017 is 8. After doing this you do that. Now we are talking about trend lines. Now how to solve this? Nothing is there. We have to obtain the estimated values by keeping t is equals to 1, t is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in line. So how we have to do? You see here. 57.12 plus 9.06 into 1 and write directly the answer. Then 57.12 plus 9.06 into 2. 57.12 plus 9.06 into 3. 57.12 plus 9.06 into 4. 57.12 plus 9.06 into 5. 57.12 plus 9.06 into 6. Now if you think that we have to do every time this thing, then first I will do every time, then I will use one trick, I will teach one trick to each and every person. But first I am solving simply. See, we don't have space for writing two steps. So first what you will do? First you will multiply. 9.06 into 1 is 9.06 plus 57.12. So you will get the answer 66.18. Then 9.06 into 2 plus 57.12. 75.24. 9.06 into 3 plus 57.12. First you multiply, then you add, because we have to do in one step only. 84.3. 9.06 into 4 plus 57.12. 93.36. 9.06 into 5 plus 57.12. 102.42. 9.06 multiply 6 plus 57.12. 111.48. So this was the original method by using the formula. Now I have one more trick. See, in each you can see we are adding always 57.12, and the only change is there, this t is multiplied with 9.06. So all these values will have the difference of 9.06 only, because it is multiplied with 1, with 2, with 3. So if you are finding the difference 75.24 minus 66.18, difference is 9.06. Again 84.3 minus 9.06, 75.24. 93.36 minus 9.06, again 84.3. So in short, if I am telling all these values will have the difference of b, because b is slope. Slope means going upwards or going downwards. If it is minus, then values will decrease. If it is plus, then values will increase. So in short, you only in exam to do it fast, you only find the first value. 9.06 into 1 plus 57.12, you will get in calculator 66.18. After that you rub and again write in your calculator 66.18. See, all this will take time. Once you multiply, then it will take time. So I am teaching one simple trick. Write 66.18, write only first answer. Then what you do, plus 9.06. So what you will get, 75.24. Now you don't have to do anything. Now you only press equals to button. So you will get 84.3. Again press equals to button, 93.36. Again press equals to buttons, 102.42. One more time, 111.48. And if you press one more time, you will get this answer. Why? Because t is equals to 6, we are having this answer. T is equals to 7, we are having this answer. Again press one more time, t is equals to 8, we are having this answer. So all these answers are checked. And by mistakenly, if 111.48 you are getting here, and if you are pressing equals to button and if you are not getting this answer, then understand somewhere you have made mistake, because for t 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7 and 8 continue value we have found, and each value should have a difference of slope, because slope shows the upwards or downward trends. If slope b was minus, then it would have been decreased, and if slope will plus, then each value would have increased. So in exam, what you will do, you will write this thing, but you will always not multiply. What you will do, the first value you will find, 9.06 into 1 plus 57.12, so you will get 66.18. Now you will rub, first you will rub, you cannot do directly. You will get the first answer, then you press 0. Now 66.18 plus 9.06 and press equals to button, so you will get second value. Now again, now no need, now press equals to button, you will get 84.3, again equals to 93.36, again equals to 102.42, again equals to 1111.48, again equals to 120.54, again equals to 129.6. Not this question, but for every question you can do this if you want. Okay friends, so now we are going for the last sum of this exercise, that is 4. So these are the 10 values. Whenever you have to find the 10 values, one extra column will be there, and it is very easy to find. There is nothing difficult. Yeah? Okay. Last question of exercise. The average age of women in years at the time of marriage obtained from the data of different census surveys in India are given in following table. Fit an equation for linear trend from the data and show it on graph. We are not showing on graph because graphical method is ignored. We are just finding equation. Again, estimation is there for 2021. Now, as I said in this sum, the difference of years was 1. So the next value will have the, if it is 6, the next value will have 7. But here now difference is of 10. See, 1971, then 81, difference is of 10, then 91, then 2001, then 2011, then 2021. So for 1971 it would be 1, then 81 2, 91 3, 2014, 211 5. So if the next value is 2021, it would be 6, and if instead of 2021, if they are asking for 2031, then it would be 7. Understand the difference. For all question or normal question, the difference is 1. Here the difference is 10, so give the numbers accordingly. Okay, don't worry for that. So when the difference is same, give the value as per it. And understand what is asked for the estimation. Yeah. Let's go for the last sum of this exercise, that is 4. Okay. year of census survey. Then we need time t. Then we need average age of women at marriage. Average age of women at marriage, that is our y. T by t square. 71, 81, 91, 2001, 2011. 1, 2. See, difference for all is 10, 10. So we will assign after 10 years 1 value. So again 3, 4, 5. Now if in estimation they are asking 2031, then for 2021 it would be 6. So for 2031 it should be 7. You have to think that point. But in this directly 2021 is as we are knowing that is 6 is only. 17.7, 18.7, 19.3, 20.2, 22.2. So now I'm drawing the lines. Sigma t, sigma y, sigma dy, sigma t square. Okay. T bar is sigma t by n, y bar is sigma y by n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 15, 15 by 5, 3 years. 17.7, 18.7, 19.3, 20.2, 22.2, 98.1, 98.1 upon 5, 19.62 years. Okay, now D1, 17.7 into 1 is 17.7, 18.7 into 2 is 37.4, 19.3 into 3, 57.9, 20.2 into 4 is 80.8, 22.2 into 5 is 111, 17.7, 37.4, 57.9, 80.8, 111, 304 point. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It's 50. Now, first step. B is equals to n into sigma d by minus sigma t multiply sigma y divided n multiply sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. N is 5, t by is 304.8, sigma t 50, sigma y 98.1 divided by n is 5. T square is 55, t whole square is 15 whole square. 304.8 multiply 5, 1524 minus 15 into 98.1, 1471.5, 55 into 5, 275, 15 square 225. 1524 minus 1471.5 is 52.5 divided by 50. 1.05. 1.05. Okay. Second step. Second step. A is equals to y bar minus pt bar. Y bar 19.62, B 1.05, T bar 3. 19.62 minus 1.05 multiplied 3, 3.15. 19.62 minus 3.15 is 16.47. 16.47. Third one, fitted trend line. Y cap is equals to A plus BT. Y cap is 16.47 plus 1.05 T. Fourth step is estimation. Now let's read the question for it. Find the estimate for value of given variable. Okay. So for given variable for the year 2021 using linear equation. So we have to find the average age for year 2021. Average age y is equals to question mark for year 2021. B is equals to 6. Why 6? As gap is of 10 years. Now the next year is after 10 years. After 2011, 10th year is 2021. So D is 6. But if instead 2031 is given, then it would be 7. Remember this thing. Y cap is equals to A plus BT. Y cap is equals to 16.47 plus 1.05 T. 16.47 plus 1.05 multiply 6. 16.47 plus 1.05 multiply 6. 6.3 plus 16.47. 22.77 years. So the average age of woman would be 22.77 years. So friends, so far we have completed exercise 4.2. So method of least square sums for 4.2 are out. Still there are sums in exercise. So we are going to see that sums. We are not taking the next method. First I am giving that solving these sums only. Okay friends, so let's go for exercise. Now see friends, in exercise the sums which are of method of least squares first we will complete. Okay, so if you are coming to the exercise, then first we are having directly section C 10th sum. Other sums are not possible. See, 9th sum you cross cancel 9th sum. For section D 9th sum you cancel because it is by graph, no graphs are required. 10th sum we are being given the information of sigma y, sigma dy, but we are not being given sigma t square and sigma t, but it's possible. No, here n is 4, so take n4, take the total of t and take the total of t square. See, this thing is very important in this chapter. For other all chapters information is directly given without drawing the table. Still here information is given, we have to draw the table because sigma t and t square they will never give. They will directly give n. So n is 4, so draw till here and it will be till here. So ignore 25, ignore 5. The total will be here 10 and total will be here 30. Okay, so we are doing this section D 10th sum first. After that in section E, first and second sum are of this method. So that will be your homework. And in section F, sum number 1 and sum number 3 are of this method that I will do today. So this method will be totally completed. For section E same sums are there, section F also same sums, but this is just for your practice I am doing for you. So now I will do section D 10 sum, then section F first sum, and section F third sum. Section E first and second sum is your homework, and again section E fourth sum is to be ignored. So everything I am doing now itself. Sums to be ignored from this chapter. Exercise 4.1, ignore all the sums. Okay, power supply. That's one. Then exercise 4, section D, sum number 9. Then section E, sum number 4. This is 9, this is 4. Okay, so these are the sums to be ignored. Sums given as homework. Sums like exercise 4.2. They are sums like exercise 4.2. And which are your homework? Exercise 4, section E, sum number 1, 2. See, I am reading first sum of section E. Data about exports of ready-made garments of textile manufacturer are given below. Fit a linear trend to this data and estimate the trend for 2017. So years are given and export Y is given. So we will draw time T column. 2010 is 1, 11 is 2, 12 is 3, 13 is 4, 14 is 5, 15 is 6. Now we have to estimate for 2017. So 2017 will be 8. Why will be 8? Because 2015 is 6. So 2016 is 7. So 2017 will be 8. Because 10 is 1, 11 is 2, 13, 12 is 3, 13 is 4, 14 is 5, 15 is 6. So 16 will be 7, but we have to estimate for 2017, so it would be 8. Okay. So okay, first and second sum I have written. Again we are reading the second sum also. Following data available for the number of passengers who travelled in last 5 years by the aircraft. If you want, you can write in first sum. Near to 2017, T is equals to 8. By aircrafts of L and M. Estimate the trend for 2016 by fitting linear trend. So again, year and Y is given. Time T is to be done. 11 is 1, 12 is 2, 13 is 3, 14 is 4, 15 is 5. Now 16 we have to estimate. So for 2016 T would be 6. Okay. For 2016 T would be 6. Then fourth sum you have to ignore. From section E, fourth sum you ignore. Third sum it is for next upcoming method, and fifth sum is for next upcoming method. Okay. Yes. Again section F. Section F, first sum I will do. Then sums to be ignored from section F also we have to ignore. Okay. Section F, sum number 2 also you have to ignore. From exercise 4, sum number 2, that is not graphical method, but that is next method where we have this sub method. You have to cancel that sum. Okay, that sum you cancel. Again, third sum I am going to solve. Fourth sum is your homework. section F sum number 4. Why? Because see, for first, second and this fourth sum you have to estimate 1 1, and for first and third sum you have to estimate 2 values. So I am doing it on board for you people. Okay, no problem for me. Again, fifth sum also you need to ignore, sum number 2 and 5. So these all sums are to be ignored. Again, for exercise 4.3 also, 1 or 2 sums there you have to ignore. Sum number 2 4. Okay, so friends, understand this thing what I am telling again. This is different and this is also different. Sums to be ignored from this chapter. Exercise 4.1, ignore all the sums. Exercise 4, section D 9 sum, section E 4th sum, section F 2 and 5th. And from 4.3 also second and 4th sum. So all these sums are ignored. Then sums which are to be done as homework, same like exercise 4.2, they are section E sum number 1 2 and they are from section F sum number 4. Now I am doing section F sum number 1 and 3. Now I am doing for section F first and third sum. So today our half exercise 4 will be completed, and also I will do section D with some 10 sum I will do. So now we are doing 3 sums. Then again we are left with the last method that we will do tomorrow, and tomorrow our chapter will be totally completed. Okay. So remember which are the sums to be ignored from 4.1. 4.3 and exercise 4, because 4.2 total will come. Okay, so these are some of the sums which are to be ignored, and sums, there are 3 sums for homework also. Yes. Okay, now we are starting exercise 4. In that section D, and in that we are doing 10th sum. Okay, section D 10th sum. Fit a linear equation from the following data for variable y of time series. N is 4, sigma y is 270, sigma dy is 734. Now as this data is given, but some of the data is missing for the formula. For fitting trend line, we still need sigma t and sigma t square, comma, calculation for them is, according to this information, sigma t and t square is not given, so we need that, and that calculation is as follows. Okay, column of t square, 1 2 3 4. Why I have taken 1 2 3 4? Because n is 4, so I have taken like this. Sigma t square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Total of this is 10, total of this is 30. Okay, so let's find t bar is equals to sigma t by 10 by 4, 2.5 years. Unit of y is not given. Y bar is sigma y by n. Sigma y is 270, not 30. Okay, divide by 4. 270 by 4, 67.5. So friends, first this much calculation was compulsory, because to solve the sum sigma t and t square were not available. Sigma t and t square were not available. t and t square were not available, so we have done this, and on that basis t bar and y bar also we need for the formula. Now we can start the trend lines first step, that is b is equals to n into sigma ty minus sigma t multiply sigma y divided by n into sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. N is 4, ty is 734, sigma t is 10, sigma y is 270, divided by n is 4, sigma t square is 30, t whole square is 10 whole square. 734 into 4, 2936, minus 270 into 10 is 2700, 30 into 4 is 120, minus 10 square is 100. So it will be 236 divided by 20. So B would be 11.8. So first we found the necessary information, then we found B. Now for A is equals to y bar minus Vt bar. Electricity has come. Y bar is 67.5, B is 11.8 and T bar is 2.5. So 67.5 minus 11.8 into 2.5, it's 29.5. 67.5 minus 29.5 is 38. Third step, fitted trend line. Y cap is equals to A plus Vt. Y cap is equals to 38 plus 11.8. Estimation is not given. Okay, so this is the sum. This information is given. We don't have these two things, so we found. Also, we found T bar and Y bar, and accordingly 3 steps because estimation is not required. Now we are going for section F first. Section E is your homework, first and second sum, okay, as I said, and from section F also fourth sum is your homework. 3 sums are your homework. And now we are going for exercise 4, section F, and these are the sums also you can do as homework if you want, because these sums are also easy, you can solve by yourself, but I am solving simply for our practice because only 4 sums we have solved. Okay, so this is for your practice, not my practice. Okay, I know the sums. Okay, so these sums are also like 4.2 only. Find a linear equation using the method of least squares. I am reading section F, first sum on page number 181. For the trend of production from the following data about sugar production of a country recorded for last 6 years. Find the trend estimates for both years 16, 17, 17, 18. For 2 years estimation I will solve the sums, and 1 estimation you will solve the sums. Yeah. Year, time, t. Then sugar production in crore tons. Sugar production in crore tons, that is y. Then dy, t square. Okay. 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 29.2, 34.2, 35.4, 36.4, 33.6, 37.7. sigma t, sigma y, sigma t by sigma t square. Okay. T bar is sigma t by n, y bar is sigma y by n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 21, 21 by 6, 3.5 years. 29.2, 34.2, 35.4, 36.4, 33.6, 37.7, 206.5. 206.5 divided by 6, 34.42 crore tons. 34.42 crore tons. Let me check it again. I think there is some error. Okay, it's not right. Now 29.2 into 1 is 29.2. 34.2 into 2 is 68.4. 35.4 into 3 is 106.2. 36.4 multiply 4, 145.6. 33.6 multiply 5, 168. 37.7 multiply 6, 226.2. 29.2, 68.4, 106.2, 145.6, 168, 226.2, 743.6. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 91. First step, B is equals to add into sigma t y minus sigma t multiply sigma y divided by add into sigma t square minus sigma t whole square. N is 6, t by is 743.6, t is 21, y is 206.5 divided by n is 6, t square is 91, t whole square is 21 whole square. 743.6 multiply 6, 4461.6 minus 21 into 206.5, 4336.5 divided by 91 into 6, 546 minus 21 square, 441, 4461.6 minus 4336.5, 125.1 divided by 546 minus 441, 105. 125.1 divided by 105 is 1.19. B is equals to 1.19. Second step, A is equals to y bar minus bt bar. Okay, y bar is 34.2, b is 1.19, t bar is 3.5. So 34.2 minus 1.19 multiply 3.5 is 4.165, so 4.17. 34.25 minus 4.17, 30.03. Fitted trend line. Y cap is equals to A plus PT. Y cap is equals to 30.03 plus 1.19 T. Fourth step, estimation. Let's see the question. 65.5. I think some mistake is there. Let me check it once. 29.2, 34.2, 35.4, 36.4, 33.6, 37.7, 26, 4 point. Some error will be there. No problem. Now we have to estimate the production for 16, 17 and 17. Production Y is equals to question mark for year 16, 17 and 17, 18. For that T is equals to. Now see, for 14, 15 T is 6. For 14, 15 question is still 14, 15. So after that 15, 16 will come, but we are not asked that 15, 16. We are asked next thing. So this will be 8 and this will be 9. Why 8 and 9? Because you understand. 14, 15 is 6. So 15, 16 will be 7, but we are not asked. We are asked 16, 17. So 16, 17 will be 8. If you are making single mistake in there, 7 and 8 if you are telling, then your estimation will be wrong. Because for 14, 15 it is 6. So for 15, 16 it will be 7, but that is not asked. For 16, 17 it will be 8 and 17, 18 it will be 9. For 16, 17 T is equals to 8, Y cap is equals to A plus PT, Y cap is equals to 30.03 plus 1.190, 30.03 plus 1.19 into 8, 30.03 plus 1.19 into 8, 9.52 plus 30.03, 39.55, 39.55. There is little bit error, okay, in the answer. Crotons. Backside answer is little bit wrong. Backside answer is little bit wrong, okay. Then for 17, 18 T would be 9. Y cap is A plus PT. Y cap is 30.03 plus 1.190. 30.03 plus 1.19 into 9, 30.03 plus 1.19 into 9, 10.71 plus 30.03, 40.74, 40.97 is there, crotons. Because there is some error in A at the back side, there is some error in A, but our A is correct. 1.19 multiplied 3.5 is 4.165. 34.2 minus 4.165. This is correct only. Ours is correct, but back side it is wrong. So this is the first sum. Now the last sum for today, that is third sum. And after that, the sums related to 4.2 will be totally over. Sums related to exercise 4.2 will be totally over if you are completing your homework then. The birth rates of a state in different years are given in following table. Fit a linear trend to this data. Also find the estimates for 16 and 17. Okay. So last sum, third one. Year, time t, birth rate y, T1 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 22.2, 21.8, 21.3, 20.9, 20.6, 20.2, 19.9. Now let me draw the lines. Sigma t, sigma y, sigma ty, sigma t square. T bar is sigma t by n, y bar is sigma y by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. 28. 28 by 7 is 40 years. 22.2, 21.8, 21.3, 20.9, 20.6, 20.2, 19.9, 146.9, 146.9 by 7, 20.99 rate. Because 20.985 is there, so 20.99. So 20.9857, so 20.99. 22.2 into 1 is 22.2. 21.8 into 2, 43.6. 21.3 into 3, 63.9. 20.9 into 4, 83.6. 20.6 into 5, 103. 20.2 into 5, 101. So 20.2 into 6 is my mistake. 121.2, 20.2 into 6. 19.9 into 7, 139.3. So 22.2, 43.6, 63.9, 83.6, 103, 1212, 121.2, 139.3. 576.8. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 140. First step. D is equals to n into sigma dy minus sigma d multiply sigma y. N into sigma d square minus sigma d whole square. N is 7, Dy is 576.8, T is 28, Y is 146.9. Divided by N is 7, sigma t square is 140, t whole square is 28 whole square. 576.8 multiply 7, 4037.6, 28 into 146.9, 4113.2 divided by 140 into 7, 980. minus 28 square 784. 4037.6 minus 4113.2 minus 75.6 upon 980 minus 784 196. 75.6 divided by 196 minus 0.39. 3857 is there, so minus 0.39. Let me check it once more because the values are such. Yes, second step, A is equals to y bar minus pt bar. Y bar is 20.99 minus B is 0.39, T bar is 4. So 20.99 minus plus 0.39 into 4 is 1.56 plus 20.99 plus 1.56 22.55. Third step, fitted trend line. Y cap is equals to A plus BT. Y cap is equals to 22.55 plus minus 0.39 T. Y cap is equals to 22.55 minus 0.39 T. Now we are looking for estimate. Now if we are reading the question, then birth rates for 16 and 17. Birth rates for 16 and 17. Estimation. Birth rates y is equals to question mark for year 2016 and 17. T is equals to, for 15 it is 7. So for 16 it is 8, 17 it is 9. Okay. So for 2016, comma, T is equals to 8, Y cap is equals to A plus BT, Y cap is equals to 22.55 minus 0.39 T, 22.55 minus 0.39 into 8, 22.55 minus 0.39 into 8 is 3.12, 22.55 minus 3.12 is 19.43 rate. And next, for 2017, T is equals to 9, Y cap is equals to A plus BT, Y cap is equals to 22.55 minus 0.39 T, 22.55 minus 0.39 into 9, 22.55 minus 0.39 into 9, 3.51, 22.55 minus 3.51, 19.04 rate. Now friends, we have completed all the related sums of 4.2 and homework is also given. If you need, you do, otherwise you don't do. I will not mind anything because average views on the videos are only 4 to 5 and only 4 to 5 people are only watching and doing some cycling. Others are still sleeping. That is up to you. So if you need to learn, then you learn. Tomorrow our chapter will be completed as only last method is left. That's all for today. Thank you so much.